Hello and welcome back to Ajay's Thromani Guru. I'm Ria, bringing you the latest updates and advanced analysis from the commodity markets. The small cardamom market saw a noticeable strengthening in prices yesterday, 11th December. While the overall market continued to trade within the familiar range of 2,350 rupee to 2,450 rupee per kilogram, a significant detail emerged from the latest auction. Let's look closer at the auction data. The average price per kilogram did improve marginally, settling between 2,386 rupees and 2,415 rupees, a small step up from the previous session. However, the most striking development was the sharp increase in the maximum price realized. It surged powerfully to 3,302 rupee per kilogram, a substantial jump from the previous maximum of 2,812 rupees. This dramatic rise in the peak price was directly attributable to the presence and strong bidding for premium, higher quality lots that entered the market. Despite this price strength, auction inflows saw a substantial boost, increasing significantly to 1.87 lakh kilograms, up from just 1.17 lakh kilograms in the earlier session. The number of lots also rose sharply to 628. Crucially, even with this surge in supply, market demand remained exceptionally robust. The offtake, or the quantity sold, stayed very strong at 98.8%, signaling sustained market confidence and appetite for the spice. Looking at the specific grades, prices held largely steady across the board. Small capsules, measuring less than 7 mm, traded comfortably between 2,620 rupees and 2,720 rupee per kilogram. Medium grades, those between 7 and 8 mm, were commanding rates from 2,740 rupee to 2,900 rupees. Meanwhile, the premium large capsules, exceeding 8 mm, continued to hold firm ground, ruling consistently in the high-value bracket of 3,000 rupee to 3,250 rupee per kilogram. Friends, this is a critical time for small cardamom. The market dynamics, high premiums for quality, combined with consistently strong demand absorbing large supply volumes, suggest that a major price movement could be brewing and is likely to manifest in the coming month. The critical question for all investors is, will this underlying strength push the commodity into a significant bullish phase, or are there factors that might trigger a sharp bearish correction? To gain clarity and receive an advanced analysis that forecasts the exact potential direction of this move, whether it's an upward surge or a strong downturn, we encourage you to get in touch with our experts. Our contact details are readily available on your screen and in the video description below. Stay ahead of the curve, trade with confidence, and we'll be back soon with your next market update.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और शोषे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।